Alright, hey guys, we're back with another video. My friends wanted me to make a part 2 of this, so here we are. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll probably have a lot more commentary this time around because I have a lot more for my friends, and I'm on a higher wave this time to start on. So you guys should get a lot more interest in it, I guess. My friends also recommended we play Legendary Football. Like this video. I want 1 like if you want to play Legendary Football. 1 like, that's it. Alright? Is that good? You can do it. I believe in you. Alright guys, get 3 likes. Get 2 to 3 likes if you want an intro. Alright. Alright guys, so you guys gotta give me 3 likes if you want an intro, alright? And don't worry guys, I know how to do it. It's easy. I'll do a toe reveal right now. A toe reveal. Beautiful, right? Alright, sorry, I'm not commentating very well, but so I'm probably gonna be making more videos with these guys in the future. Probably most of my videos will be with them. I could probably even do a few collabs with Cookie. That might get him back into YouTube. But I don't know. I gotta sit up higher. Give me a sec. There we go. There we go. Is that better? My face cam is really blurry. Sorry about that. Or else it's just mine. I don't know. Maybe it's just because of the grass on the side there. Or grass on the ground. You know what I mean. I just headshot all those guys somehow. A headshot? Frick. That was a headshot. Got a headshot there. Another one. Alright, so probably make it around a 10-minute video. It's right around 8, so it's fine. Time is actually going by really slow, which I like. I might record 2 more videos today just because I have a lot of school to. There's going to be school coming up soon, so I'm not going to be able to record as much, but. So I'll try my best to keep up recording, but there's no promises that this channel will be stable enough because school. I said I would have more commentary today, but I really didn't. But I kind of need more knowledge about the game, or I would just be in it. I don't know. I'm just not good. Alright, so I'm going to end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.